Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start unit number 3, which is for second term. So open your books, page number 60 and 61.
Hello teacher.
Hello, how are you?
أستاذ بروح أصلي المغرب.
Okay.
Yes, the teacher. أنا بروح أصلي المغرب كمان. Okay.
Okay, come fast.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Alaikum salam, Umar Muhammad. So in this module, of which the name is the life cycle of a flowering plant. As you know, we discussed in previous lessons water cycle. So its cycle means a circular shaped process, okay, or some processes which are there. So life cycle means some processes of life. Water cycle means processes of water. So what are the processes of life cycle of a flowering plant? We will discuss in this. Maybe you have life cycle of human, okay, but in this we will discuss flowering plant. As you can see, flowering plant, the name shows we will discuss plants. They have flowers, okay. In this module, understand that plants reproduce. Reproduce means they grow and they reproduce their young. Young means the same like them, okay. If you take this seed and put it in this mud, and they will grow up and give you again the same. So this is called reproduction. Learn about how seeds can be dispersed. Dispersed means wazza. How can you disperse the seeds, or how seeds are dispersed? Seed yani bizra. Here you can see seeds. Page 60 you can see on your screen. Discover that insects pollinate some flowers. Insects pollinate some flowers, okay. Learn that plants produce flowers that have male and female parts. We will discuss in this module. Find out that seeds are formed when pollen from the male part fertilizes in the ovum of the female part. That is the part of this unit as well. Last one, the point is learn that flowering plants have life cycle which includes pollination, fertilization, seed production, seed dispersal, and germination. These are the life processes. This is the life cycle or processes of a flowering plant. Got it? So what are the names of processes of water cycle? If we remember, if we remind that lesson, those were collection, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and then again collection. Sorry, right? So here in life cycle of a flowering plant, we have pollination, fertilization, seed production, seed dispersal, and germination. Got it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, next. Word cloud. Abdullah Faisal, open your mic and read.
Teacher, I can read after Abdullah Faisal.
Yeah, just wait, Khalid. Everybody will read, don't worry. Open your notebook, rest of all of you, open your notebooks and write all of them. هذا واجب. اكتب هذا في الدفتر، هذا واجب, okay? اكتبها
teacher.
كلها في الدفتر. Write all of them in your notebooks. يلا عبد الله فاصل, can you hear me?
Okay.
يلا حبيبي.
Exploration. Seed. Prediction.
Product, TIONH, صوت TIONH.
Protection.
Shun, أيوه good. Seed production.
Fertilization.
Fertilization.
Okay.
أيوه fertilization.
Dispersal.
Dispersal.
Male. Female of ovum. Germination. Germination.
أيوه.
Interrupt finishing. If life.
This one, interpret findings. Interpret findings.
Interpret findings.
Findings, أيوه.
Life is
Cycle.
Okay. Fruit. Population.
Pollination. أيوه.
Present.
أيوه good. Okay. Omar Ala, are you there? Muhammad Noor. Oh, Noor Muhammad, whatever. Okay, who else is there? Omar Ala is there now. Okay. Noor is absent. Who else? Muhammad is Somali, right?
Teacher and me, Umar Yasser, I think.
Muhammad is Somali is absent. Osama is absent.
And me, teacher.
Sorry. Yes, Yazan.
I didn't read.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Khalid, open your mic and read.
Yes, teacher. Okay.
All of you write, okay? Write in your notebooks. When I call you, read. Before that, write, okay? Yes, Umar Allah, okay, I got you. Yes, Khalid, please read all the words.
Okay.
Open your notebooks and write in your notebooks, okay? Fahad, who is Fahad?
I know. Explosion.
Explosion, ayo.
Seed production.
Seed production.
Insects. Fertilization.
Fertilization. Okay.
Fertilization.
Ayo. Yes, I'm with you. Okay, just one second.
Female. Germination.
I have a question.
Yeah. What is your question? Who is it me?
Umar Ala.
Umar Allah, just wait.
Listen.
Let him finish. Okay, just a second. Let him finish.
Okay.
Life cycle.
Okay.
Fruit. Pollination. Present. I'm finished.
Thank
Sir?
you, Khalid. Yes, Umar Allah, what is your question?
Sir, I have a question.
Wait, Muhammad. Wait, Abdullah. Yes, no, Allah. Yes.
My question is, I write these words.
Yes, in your notebook. This is your homework.
Okay.
You can write now. You can write after the lesson. Yes,
Now I write
Muhammad.
this.
Abdullah Muhammad. Yes.
I write this. Sir, I write this in my book.
How can you write in your book? You should write in your notebook.
Word good. No, notebook.
Yes, notebook.
Like
Word cloud. This is your homework. Yes, okay.
I write the weather. Can I write the weather of it?
Just
No, man, you should write it one number wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that.
Okay.
Teacher, me Muhammad Noor, I am sorry for late, but my Wi-Fi was not good, so I enter now.
Okay, no problem, Muhammad. Thank you so much. I wrote your name now. Okay, so Muhammad, As-Somali, and Osama. We have 2 absentees till now. Okay, so Muhammad Noor, open your mic and read.
Teacher
Read the
Framos.
words and then write the words in your notebook, okay?
Okay. Word cloud.
Yeah.
Explosion.
Explosion.
Seed production. Insects. Fertilization.
Fertilization.
Fertilization. Dispersal.
Very good.
Male. Female. Ovum.
Ovum.
Germination. Wind. Life cycle. Interpret findings.
Excellent.
Wind. Fruit. Present. Pollination.
Yeah, salam. Excellent. Nadeem.
Yes, teacher.
Nadeem. Yes, read
teacher.
please.
Seed production, explosion, insects, fertilization, dispersal, female,
Yes. Ovum.
male, germinate,
Very good.
interpret finding, wine,
Interpret finding.
fruit,
Okay.
present, present, pollination, life cycle.
Thank you so much and excellent. Omar Muhammad, read.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read.
Seed production, explosion, fertilization, insects, male, female, ovum,
Dispersal.
dispersal, germination, life cycle, wind, fruit, present, pollination,
Pollination, yes.
interrupt findings,
Interpret findings.
findings.
Then we have Umar Yasir.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Yes, please read.
Okay. Explosion, seed protection, insects, fertilization, dispersal, male, female ovum, germination, wind, interpret findings, life cycle, fruit, present, pollination.
Umar Ala. Thank you so much, Umar Yasir. Very good.
Okay,
Welcome.
sir. Okay. Pollination, seed production, insects, fertilization, dispersal, dispersal, female, volume,
Ovum.
male, generation, ovum, female ovum, male, generation, wind, interrupt finding.
Interpret findings. And this is germination, not generation.
Germination, interpret findings, life cycle, fruit, present, pollination.
Pollination. Okay,
Pollination.
Professor Muhammad Al-Amri. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read please.
Sir, I can read after
Yeah, Yazan, come.
or Yasan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read.
Teacher. Teacher,
Yes, Muhammad.
you said me to read.
Yeah, I thought you were saying after Yazan I will read. Who was this? Muhammad Noor?
Muhammad Al-Amri.
Yalla, read, come on.
من وين أقرأ؟
Word cloud.
ها؟
Word cloud. This one, ya Habibi. Words.
Okay. Explanation.
Hmm.
Seed production and insect insistence
Insects. Okay. Ashrat.
for insects for
Fertilization.
fertilization
Yeah.
this process
Dispersal.
dispersal
Hmm.
male
Okay.
female ovum
Hmm.
uh germination
Germination.
germination when and
Interpret.
interpret feelings
Findings.
interpret uh, findings
Ah.
live life cycle
Life
force
cycle.
fruit uh pop pop pollination
Pollination.
present.
Okay. Yazan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read, please.
Sir, I can.
Explosion, seed production, insects, fertilization,
Hmm.
dispersal, female ovum, male, germination, interpret, findings, life cycle, wind, fruit, pollination, present.
Thank you so much. Yes, Mama Noor. Oh, Abdullah.
Okay, sir. Yes. Okay.
Yes, read.
Okay. Word cloud. Seed production, explosion, fertilization, fertilization,
Fertilization.
fertilization,
Right?
insects, this dispersal, 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 male, female ovum,
Hmm.
wind,
Wind.
fruit, wind, fruit, present, bob, pollination,
Pollination.
pollination,
Hmm.
interrupt findings,
Interpret
interrupt,
findings.
interpret findings, life cycle, germination,
Germination.
germination, germination,
Okay. Men Bagi, who did not read? I think all of you done. Huh? So, okay.
Yes, all done. Teacher,
Yes.
is this whole lesson about these two pages only?
No, we have a lot. We will go further. Don't worry. We have a lot of pages about this. Don't worry. Okay, so on the next page, we have page number 62. Here we have flowering plants. To know that plants reproduce. Reproduce means they become more and more and more. Sah? Namu, I mean. Am I right? Or that is grow. I'm not good at Arabic. Okay.
Yes,
Flowering
teacher.
plants. Flowering plants reproduce. They start as a seed and grow into adult plant. They start as a seed like this. Here you can see and become adult. How? We will discuss in this. Okay. How do flowering plants make new flowering plants? When flowering plants reproduce, they make new plants. These new plants grow and reproduce to make more new plants. We call this process the life cycle, because each stage in the life cycle is repeated each time a new plant is made. There are four main stages in the life cycle of a flowering plant. Four main stages. What are four main stages? Number one is seed. Yazan, please read this portion. What do you mean by seed? What is meant by seed? What is seed?
Seeds. We can think of seeds as the first stage in the life cycle of flowering plants. Seeds need to have the right conditions, such as water and warmth, to start to grow. Once the seed starts to grow, we say it has germinated.
Germinated. It means in word cloud you read some words. Now we will use them. Germination, we read this word, and this is called germination when seed starts to grow a little. Okay. So number one, stage number one is seeds. Number two, Omar Muhammad, read.
Seedlings.
Seedling.
We can think of seedlings at the second stage in the life cycle. We start to see the first shoots and roots at this stage.
So it means in this stage, which is seedling, we see shoots and roots, and small shoots, which are present in seedlings.
Sir,
Number
sir,
three, young plant. Yes, Abdullah.
what's the meaning of roots?
Roots, you can see here. Shoots, this is the start of the growing. You can see one or two leaves and it starts. That is called shoots. Roots are
Okay.
underground, the parts of a flower, which is underground. تحت الأرض. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Umar Ala, number three.
Teacher, I can see after Umar Ala. I can
Wait,
read
please,
after Umar
Khalid,
Ala.
one by one. Umar Ala, are you there? Okay, Umar Yasir.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Yes, number three, please.
Number what?
Number three, young plants.
Okay, teacher. Young plants. We can think of young plants as the third stage in the life cycle. At this stage, we should be able to identify what kind of plant it is.
What kind of plant it is? Okay, adult plants, Khalid. Number
Yes,
four.
teacher. Okay. Number four, adult plant. We can think of adult plant as the fourth stage in the life cycle. At this stage, the plant is fully
Grown.
grown.
Yes,
Fully
fully
grown.
grown. It means it becomes big
I am
and
finished.
fully grown. Thank you so much. So there are four stages here. You can see the pictures and the detailing as well. Number one is seed. Number two, seedlings. Number three, young plant. Number four, adult plant.
teacher,
So in yes,
أستاذ ترى
Khalid.
صوتك ترى أستاذ صوتك قبل شوي كان يقطع.
Don't speak in Arabic if you can, please. Try to speak in English, okay? So here you can see seeds, seedlings, young plant, and adult plant. These are four stages of life cycle of a plant. Page 63, you can see four stages. Number four is written, which is adult plant. Okay. So, three pictures you have, 1, 2, and 3. So, who will tell me which stage is it? What is this stage? Seedling, or young plant, or
Seedling.
seedling? Very
Seedling,
nice.
number 2.
Number 2. So you will write here number 2 and write here seedling. Okay, this is seedling. Let me make it small, more small. Okay, smaller. Seedlings. Number 3 is basically number 1.
One seed.
One seeds.
Yes, it's 1, which is
Seeds.
seed. Very good. Last one is number 3.
Young children.
3 young plants.
Young children. Umar Muhammad, you said young children. Young plant. This is the young plant. Okay. So these are 4 stages. Understood?
Yes, I
any-
understood.
Any questions? Yes.
No. No. Nope.
Okay, so Abdullah and Muhammad as-Somali, these two are absentees in grade 5.
What? Sir, I am here.
I said Muhammad as-Somali and Usama.
Abdullah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Abdullah. Abdullah is here. I know you are here. Don't worry.
Abdullah Faisal and Abdullah Muhammad Hassan Laham.
Abdullah Faisal is there. Abdullah Muhammad is there. Abdullah Al-Amri is there. Don't worry. So Muhammad as-Somali and Usama bas. Okay, 2 are absent. Okay, boys. Thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great
Bye, bye,
day,
bye.
teacher.
Thank you so much. Yes, and
Welcome back.
goodbye. Have a
Bye.
have a nice day.
Bye.